Welcome back, viewers. Let's start with some breaking news that's coming in right now on the broadcast. An absolute shocker there by an NCP Sharad Pawar camp Neta. Jitendra Awad has ripped apart Ambedkar's poster. NCP Ajit Pawar camp has staged a protest against Awad as well. Under fire, Awad has now issued apology. He said that he tore Ambedkar's poster unknowingly. An absolute shocker there by the NCP camp Neta. Now, let me get across my colleague Shrishti, who's joined us live on the broadcast. Shrishti, this is of course yet another controversy by Jitendra Awad, who's known for his controversies. Give us more details as to what exactly happened here.
Well, of course, Jitendra Awad was protesting in Mahad today against the Manusmriti Shlok's recommendation to be included in the syllabus of state government in the state of Maharashtra. Now, these were the recommendations given by the SCERT, and they are open to the, changes also. But the recommendations were given by them to add a shlok of Manusmriti, to add shloks from Bhagavad Gita, and to add shloks from the Manache shlok given by the Ramdas Swami. Now, what comes across is that to protest against the Manusmriti shlok's inclusion, today Jitendra Awad was protesting in Mahad. Now, Mahad is a place wherein first time Baba Sahib Ambedkar has burned the Manusmriti in 1927. At that particular place, Jitendra Awad was today protesting against the particular issue. What comes across is that by mistake, he torn the photos of Baba Sahib Ambedkar, and that was a huge mistake by him. He has also mentioned the fact that he never apologizes for anything in his life, in his political career, but today it was a huge mistake from his side, and he apologizes for the particular incident what has happened. However, now what Ajit Pawar faction mentions is that Jitendra Awad should be arrested and sections of atrocities should be invoked against him. Also, to give a perspective in this particular matter, whether it be Ajit Pawar faction or Sharad Pawar faction of NCP, they have always spoken about the ideologies
Right,
of
Srishti, we're running short of time on the broadcast, but like you rightly pointed out, an absolute shocker there by Jitendra Awad, who's not new to controversy. Time and again, we have seen multiple controversy associated with him. Appreciate you joining us on the broadcast with all